I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Mama?
Yes? No, we're doing porridge. You say you want porridge. Hi friends, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's another beautiful day here. It's a bit cloudy outside today, but I have no intention of going out today. Today is Wednesday. Kids are home from school. And they said they want porridge for lunch. I just finished working out and it's around your lunchtime. You're that happy to see them?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you say?
Hi.
Very good. What are you doing? What are you up to? What were you eating? What's on your mouth? What are you eating?
A chocolate.
Yeah. She was eating chocolate. Anyway, you guys, I was saying they told me they want porridge for breakfast as I finished working out. So, not breakfast, for lunch. So I'm making porridge real quick so that I can get them lunch and go and take me a shower to kickstart my day. I slept in a bit late this morning because I was tired. Sarah, don't do that. Go to the side. Go outside next to Mama also. Though I know you guys don't mind seeing Sarah alone. But yeah, anyway, baby's off to work. Baby's out of town today. Tyler is here. Tyler, come say good morning to the fans.
Hello.
And he's gone. He's playing his imaginary football game. Anyway, I'm making this porridge and whatever it is that I have to show you guys throughout the rest of today. I'll be happy to share that with you. Yes, Sarah, when last have you guys worked out? Huh? You guys may not have been seeing my workout sessions, but I have been working out. That's ketchup.
Ketchup?
Ah.
Wow, look.
This week has been a rough week. No, not this week. The end of last week into this week. So I haven't been consistent with workout, but I get in the days that I can get in. Yes, Sarah?
I want this one.
No. But I'm trying to get as much workout for the rest of this week because I start working on Monday officially, and this weekend I have to do my hair and just get into the groove of planning and of everything. So,
porridge.
And you're making porridge?
Yes.
Yes.
Mama,
And your brother is here acting a fool.
I'll keep the scissors.
His imaginary game that he play, you have to play rock, paper, scissors with every sister. Sarah, be careful. Oh no. The bag here. Be careful. Hey, Sarah, no. Hey.
Put it in the hand. Let's put it in the hand.
No, girl, no.
Put it in the hand.
No. Hey, get down. Because you're going to get hurt. Stop. Finish.
Mama.
Quoi?
Okay, my scissors.
Why?
Right? No.
Open the cupboard and put this in it. The bottom one.
Mama, can you mix?
You want to mix it? Here. Be careful with the hot water, Tyler.
Yeah. Finish?
Look down the bottom cupboard if you see tin milk down there. No, that one.
Tin milk.
Tell me if you see tin milk.
It's tin milk.
Pull it out.
See, Mama started strawberries. What is this?
This, look, you're looking for this. It's not a pin, so if it's there, you'll see it. If you're not,
It's Nestle.
yeah, look up the top one. No, Ty, it's tall, so if it's there, you'll see it right away. Look up the top. I just want to know if I have extras.
No, it's not.
Okay, there's none. That's okay. I'll buy this weekend.
You don't touch the Tyler. Mama.
Yes, Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 I beat him. Sarah, Mama is ready for that. Thank you. Thank you, Sarah.
What's this song?
Mama, let the milk spill. The milk spill on the stove. Spilt milk. Like your
Bubbles! Spilled milk. Mama's bubbles!
Yes, it's bubbles.
I like bubbles!
You like bubbles?
Mama, can you mix? I see it spilled.
No, you can't mix. This one is hot.
Aquarelita.
Yes, Sarah.
It's coming, Mama.
No, it finished now. I clean it.
Activate.
Yes, I clean it.
Egg. Mama, egg and butter.
I'm not making crepe.
Make steps.
Finish making crepe.
No! It's not easy.
All right, my baby's porridge is ready. Let's go find them. Let's see what they're doing.
Give hugs. No, like it. Ah! Ah! Stop! Stop! Look. Yo! Yo! Ah no! Maman! Je vais t'aider, Sarah. Wouf, wouf. Où est Serena? Ah, elle est là.
What's your name?
Serena.
Who give her that name? You?
Yes. Here, Serena. Can I sleep? No. Can't sleep. How cool. No.
Anyway, your porridge is cooling, okay?
Okay.
They're too funny. I love seeing when they pretend playing. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to go take a shower right now and carry on with my day. She wants to dance with Tai Tai. Tai, why you doing that? Oh, she's so cute. Tell her take time. Oh. She's so happy. Oh, this melts my heart so much to see.
Oh,
you.
yeah. Dancing, dance. Turn around. Wahoo! Stand up. Yo! Bras égalés. Bras égalés. Bras.
Guys, à table now.
Sacré crépon. Yum, yum.
All right, here goes dinner. Dinner.
C'est la première fois que ce chef d'entreprise est victime de ce type d'entreprise. Avec l'augmentation significative du prix du carburant et des pénuries, les ventes se multiplient dans les zones industrielles et sur les chantiers notamment. Cette autre entreprise bretonne, les camions ont été circulés sur Sur les conseils de la gendarmerie, la ville a investi pour mieux sécuriser.
Mama, can we try? Mama, can we try?
Slowly. Sarah, you have to blow slowly. Okay? Here. Blow slowly.
Il y a de ça, en pleine nuit, 1200 litres de
Blow
carburant
again.
pour dérober dans ce
La grève des étudiants parisiens a donc pris fin ce matin à Nantes, au Havre. Le mouvement continue. Certains habitants sur l'enlèvement des enfants.
Sarah, no.
Les services n'étant pas assurés, ont-ils une
Good girl, don't trouble sanitizer.
Elles font le bonheur des goélands.
You finish packing your bag? Your water fill?
Les enfants ne sont ramassés depuis
No, your water not full. That one over there. Finish, Sarah, finish. Go to the bathroom and take off your clothes. Mama coming. Tell friends bye-bye. Tell friends night-night. Go, tight, come in. Shower first. Child, come here for your back.